This is the Faber-Castell Model FC101 electric paper stapler. It comes with a foot switch, and it can also operate with a push switch that when you push it, it will activate the stapler. Those have some side guides that can be adjusted sideways on both sides of the plate, and we've been doing a little bit of testing on magazine style or saddle style staplers and show you how thin the staples are on the other side. And now we're going to do a little bit of stapling here to show that the machine is doing what it's supposed to do. So I'm going to press the foot switch and do 1, 2, 3 staples, and those are the 3 that we just did. And on the other side of the magazine, the plate will adjust upright for saddle stapler. Just put it flat and fasten the knob, and it will stay for flat stapler. And it will also lock onto any table, so you clamp it with that knob, you put it on any table. And this is the Faber-Castell FC101 electric paper or book stapler.